Thanks, Jermaine. Veteran coach and administrator Carlton Spanner Dennis has stepped down as the head of Santos Football Club. Dennis, who has served the club for over 30 years, has made way for Trevin Nairn, who steps in as club president of the five-time Premier League champions. Nairn is a former general manager of Portmore United and represented Santos in the major and the Super League competitions from 1992 to 2006.
And of course, Santos is my home, so came back home to re-establish what we believe, where we believe Santos should be, which is a dominant club in football. I am very disappointed. We are very disappointed in what has happened with Santos, considering at one point we were the most successful club in Jamaica and probably the most successful club throughout the Caribbean. And to see where we are now in the major league, in the bottom tier of Jamaica's football, it's really disheartening.
Nairn was quick to point out that Dennis was not pushed from the position, as the decision was a mutual agreement.
We have full respect for Mr. Dennis. Mr. Dennis is more than a father figure to us, and he is in fact the one who said, hey, it's time for me to step aside a little to see exactly what the younger generation can bring to the fore.
Dennis will now serve as Vice President and Director of Football Operations.